still using image tags for SVGs, then you're missing out. Here is the perfect workflow for working with SVGs. I'm going to show it in a Webstudio, and there's a little gotcha to watch out for. Find an SVG version of your logo, just search for name of logo SVG. It will find the right kind of logo on the internet. Open your SVG file in a text editor, not a folder. Copy that raw code and paste it directly onto the Webstudio canvas. And now you're going to see the gotcha I was talking about. He's going to throw an error that you can't place a div inside of a SVG tag. And the problem here is you can't move this around anymore, this SVG. It's stuck in place. You can't wrap it in another element. You don't have the option here. If I type element, normally I see here the element that I can wrap it in, but that's not the case because there is a style tag added in the SVG, and that is forbidden. You have to put it outside of the div, and then you can wrap it in an element like you see here. Now I'm able to wrap it into an element. Now the style tag is outside of the SVG, but it still works because it's just a selector. Now I'm going to change the selector, the fill color, to current color. That will make it so that I can set the color of the SVG inside of the parent box. Like you see here, in the typography, I can just set it to red. Now the color changes to red. Now, why is it only changing the Aruba? Because the class elements where the selector is setting the color is not set on all the pods, because these pods just should stay black, but now we want to color them also. So we add this class, the same class, to these pods, and then they're gonna change color also. This was how you add SVGs in Webstudio. If you want to see how I'm using this in a project, watch out for my next video. This is going to be an interactive marquee that scrolls over the page with SVG logos. See you in the next one.